Hello my friend, now I am going to prepare a refreshing high alcohol volume cocktail Bullfrog, which is the variation of popular IPA cocktail Long Island Iced Tea. After watching this video, I am sure you can also make it very easily and perfectly. For this preparation, we need 8 ingredients like eggs, vodka, white rum, tequila blanco, dry gin, blue curacao, lemon or lime juice, simple syrup and Red Bull. As a garnish, normally we use lime slice, and in a glassware we can use Colin or any other tall glass. My friends, if you want to know about all bar glasses and all bar equipments, please check the link in below description box. For the preparation of Bullfrog, first of all fill the glass with ice. Then pour 15 ml dry gin, add 15 ml white rum, add 15 ml vodka, add 15 ml tequila blanco, add 15 ml lemon or lime juice, add 15 ml simple syrup, add 15 ml blue curacao and top with Red Bull. As a garnish, normally we use lime slice for this cocktail. Finally serve and enjoy with this popular high alcoholic cocktail.